Welcome to Rolling Legends, where passion meets precision, and every drive is a story worth telling. Today, we're diving into a machine that blends timeless roadster charm with modern engineering wizardry of the 2026 BMW Z4. This isn't just a facelift or a small update, it's a confident statement from BMW that the pure driving experience is alive and well in a world racing toward electrification. And trust me, this Z4 is here to remind us why 2 seats, rear-wheel drive, and an open sky above are such an intoxicating recipe. Right from the first glance, the 2026 Z4 commands attention. BMW has sharpened the styling without losing the fluid, athletic proportions that make a roadster instantly desirable. The long, sculpted hood still hints at the power lurking beneath, but the front fascia has been subtly reworked with slimmer laser headlights, a more assertive kidney grille, and aerodynamic contours that channel air as efficiently as they please the eye. The rear is just as purposeful, with new LED light signatures and a diffuser design that whispers track ready without shouting. Every crease and curve is deliberate, and the road presence is unmistakably whether you're pulling up at a cafe tilde copyright or chasing the horizon on a winding back road. Drop into the driver's seat, and you immediately feel like BMW built this car around you. The 2026 Z4's interior is a masterclass in blending driver-focused ergonomics with a layer of modern luxury. The seating position is low and intimate, placing you right in the car's center of gravity. Every control falls naturally to hand, from the tactile metal paddle shifters to the redesigned drive mode selector. BMW's latest curved digital display stretches gracefully across the dashboard, seamlessly merging the instrument cluster and infotainment system. The graphics are crisp, animations fluid, and customization is deep. You can prioritize performance data for spirited driving or navigation and media for a relaxed cruise. Materials are top-tier, soft-touch leather, brushed aluminum, and new trim options like open-pore wood or carbon fiber. And of course, the soft top roof retracts in seconds, transforming the cabin into an open-air theater for sound and sensation. Speaking of sound, let's talk power. BMW hasn't abandoned its commitment to soulful engines in the Z4, and the 2026 lineup continues to offer a thrilling range. At the heart is the iDrive 30i, powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder that punches well above its weight with improved boost response and efficiency tweaks. But the star for enthusiasts is still the M40i, with its silky 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6 delivering north of 380 horsepower. BMW's engineers have refined the turbo's spool characteristics, sharpening throttle response and broadening the torque curve. The result: effortless overtakes, a playful rear end when you want it, and a soundtrack that ranges from cultured to raspy snarl depending on your mood and drive mode. And yes, the rumors are true, the manual gearbox option is sticking around for purists, a nod to those who believe 3 pedals are non-negotiable for a true driver's car. Underneath, the Z4's chassis has been fine-tuned for 2026 with stiffer suspension components, revised adaptive dampers, and recalibrated steering for more feedback and precision. The weight distribution remains the coveted near-perfect 50-50, and the combination of a low center of gravity and short overhangs means it turns in with eagerness and poise. On a twisty road, the Z4 dances between corners, communicating grip levels clearly through the seat and wheel. There's enough compliance for daily comfort, but in Sport Plus mode, the car hunkers down and feels razor sharp. The traction and stability control systems have been reprogrammed to be less intrusive, allowing skilled drivers to explore the car's playful rear drive balance without electronic babysitting getting in the way. BMW hasn't ignored the tech-savvy side of modern motoring, either. The 2026 Z4 gets the latest iDrive 9 operating system with faster voice recognition, over-the-air updates, and a more intuitive menu structure. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, as is a premium Harman Kardon audio system for when you need music to compete with the wind. Driver assistance tech includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a new predictive suspension system that uses GPS and camera data to prime the dampers for upcoming road conditions, blending comfort and performance in a way few roadsters manage. And yet, despite all the modern technology, the Z4 hasn't lost its analog soul. There's a purity to the way it drives, how it rewards deliberate inputs, how the chassis communicates, how the engine builds power in a linear, satisfying way. This isn't a digital, over-processed experience. It's one where the driver's skill and the car's engineering meet in harmony, creating moments that make you smile without even realizing it. Whether you're navigating city streets, attacking a mountain pass, or cruising a coastal highway with the roof down, the Z4 feels alive and engaged. From a design philosophy standpoint, the 2026 Z4 continues BMW's tradition of making the Roadster not just a car, but a statement. It's about individuality, about choosing something that's as much about joy as it is about transportation. In a time when many automakers are leaning heavily into SUVs and EVs, the Z4 stands out as a defiant celebration of the emotional side of driving. It's compact, light, and focused. It doesn't try to be everything to everyone, and that's precisely what makes it special. Practicality: sure, it's still a two-seater with a modest trunk, but there's enough room for a weekend getaway or a few grocery bags. And honestly, if you're buying a Z4, it's because you value the journey just as much as the destination. Fuel economy is surprisingly decent thanks to BMW's efficient turbocharging and mild hybrid systems in the new engines, making it easier to enjoy without guilt. And with BMW's comprehensive warranty and maintenance plans, ownership is as stress-free as it is rewarding. So, is the 2026 BMW Z4 the ultimate modern roadster? For many, the answer will be yes. It's a car that doesn't compromise on what makes driving fun: responsive handling, strong performance, a convertible top, and a cockpit that makes you feel like a pilot. But it also embraces the conveniences and safety features of the present day, ensuring you can enjoy that fun every single day without sacrificing comfort or peace of mind. It's a bridge between a classic roadster purity with a healthy dose of future-ready tech. As you walk away from it, roof down, sunlight catching those muscular rear haunches,